Good afternoon, friends. This video is not good news. Well, it depends how you look at it. The landlord of this place is selling up, so I need to find somewhere else for friend. So I'm going to be closing the shop, and what I'm going to be doing is I've got a month, so I'm going to start packing stuff away. But I'm going to get all the guitars done that I've got in at the moment, 3 or 4. I'm going to let everyone know that I've got to find a new premises. I'm even part considering working from home again. I've already got permission off my landlady at home, who we rent from. She says, yeah, I've got no problem with you working from here, and if you want to put a shed up in the garden, something 10 by 8, go ahead and do so. So that's more likely what I'm going to do, because it's going to be a lot cheaper than me going out and renting somewhere, and I'll have it in my own back garden. I'll be running electricity from my own house, and it's probably going to be the best thing. But I do also have a spare room there I can work from temporarily while I'm setting everything up. I've just been looking at prices at 10 foot by 8 foot sheds. Maybe I'll get something used, I don't know. I'm only going to be here, end of the day. My wife and I, my wife's Canadian, we're moving to Canada next year, without a doubt. We are definitely moving next year. We've got a solicitor on the case. We've paid a solicitor a stupid amount of money. In fact, more money than I earned through friend last year. We paid this solicitor. And we're going to be moving to Canada next year anyway. But as things are, I'm going to be closing the workshop. Again, another upheaval, and this time I'm going to make it so that it can't happen again. And the way for me to do that is, rather than go and pay someone £500 a month to rent a room, big enough or what have you, I'm going to do it from home, and I'm going to build a shed. I'm going to get a shed, and I'm going to get it all kitted out and get it, 10 foot by 8. I can work in a 10 foot by 8 foot space. It's going to cost me about 1,200 quid to get it all built up, what have you, with some new benches in there. But it's going to be best all round. And that's it. So that's what it's come to. I am not disheartened by it. I know the Lord is going to provide in this, well, he does in all scenarios, but the Lord will provide. I've got nothing to worry about. It's just a little bit of an upheaval. I've got to be moving things around again. But end of the day, these things are sent to try us. I don't feel tried. It's a new opportunity to do something better. So that's what friends are going to do. I'm going to go back, build something at home, and we're going to be working from there. So I am going to be, I'll be updating you on here anyway, on Facebook and on YouTube, but I'm probably going to close for a few weeks. And again, it's out of my hands. I've got to do it. You guys, you've been so patient. I've let so many people, well, circumstances have let so many people down over the last few months with my illness and what have you. I'm over my illness now. I'm on the mend, and things are looking up. So it's a little bit of a thorn in the side. That's all I'm seeing it as. No great upheaval. We'll come back, we'll bounce back bigger and stronger. So friends, see you soon.